Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about one of our most commonly asked questions, and that is, how long will my connector last? Understandably, there's a large number of factors that play into how long your connector is going to last in your process. Things like the amount of movement, the operating temperature, chemical compatibility, abrasion, length, the uptime of your process, as well as things like positive and negative pressure can all play a role in how long your connector is going to last. There's some ways that we can increase the life of your connector, from selecting the right connector material to getting the installation gaps correct, as well as choosing a material that's going to handle the movements that you're going to be using in your process. There are also other ways that we can control the life of a connector. If you wish to reduce abrasion, then you can use something like flow correction, and this also helps when using negative pressure transport because it reduces product contact with the sides of your connectors. We have connectors that last anywhere from 6 months to 6 years in some applications, and it's very important to understand that these connectors will always last longer than your clamped style traditional connectors. Thanks for watching everyone, and if you have any further technical questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.